Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see, okay, so this stitch, okay, I will be showing you how to make them. Okay, it's very pretty. Okay, so let's get started. For today's tutorial, I will be using my 4mm hook and my yellow acrylic yarn. Okay, so you can use anything you do have, guys. You just have to work. If you will be using these as big pieces, you just have to work with your measurement. Okay, so to start with, I'll be making my slip knot, and I will be chaining 35. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I'll continue this, guys, and I'll come back when I got my 35 stitches or chain. Okay guys, so I have done my 35 stitches or chain. Okay, so from here we are going to insert our hook, okay, in the second from your loop, up from your hook, okay, and create a single crochet. Okay, and into the next single crochet. Okay, so this row is for single crochet. Okay, insert, pull up a yarn, you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so that is our single crochet. Okay, so continue that, guys, and when you get to the end, I'll come back and show you what to do next. Okay guys, so I just done my single crochet chain. So we have 35 chain, and then we now have 24, not 34 single crochet. Okay, so from here I'm going to chain 3, okay, and turn my work, and the second chain. Okay, so this one is count as the 3 chain. Okay, and the second chain stitch, we're going to make a double crochet. Okay, then we are going to do our pattern. Okay, so yarn over, okay, and skip this first and go to the next and create your double crochet, and double crochet into the next and yarn over, and then you have to come back into the first one. Okay, so you have to get into that stitch there. It's a bit fiddly. Okay, and do sorry, no, sorry, I get confused, sorry. So we just have to insert there and then pull up from the back. Okay, and we are going to pull that up and complete our double crochet, so as you can see, and then we are going to continue that. So this one is the last one of our double crochet, so we skip this one, and into the next we are going to do our double crochet, into the next double crochet. Okay, and this one is we are going back. Okay, so the one that we skip, and then we pull that and complete our double crochet. Okay, so skip, okay, to the next 2 double crochet, okay, and to the next. Okay, so 1 double crochet each in the next 2 double crochet. Okay, then from there we're going to go back into the skip one and pull up and continue and complete our double crochet. So as you can see, guys, that is how it looks like. Okay, so one more time. Okay, skip this into the third, double crochet, double crochet into the next. Okay, so we have 2, and we're going to go back. Okay, and pull our yarn and complete our row. Okay, so continue that, guys, and I'll come back when we got to the end. Okay, guys, so I'm into my last. Okay, so we started with 2 double crochet. Okay, so we started with 2 double crochet, and we end up with 2 double crochet as well. So just ignore this one. Sorry about my counting, but this is how it looks like. Okay, so from here, chain 3. Okay, and then it's the same. Okay, so we are going to make our I'll just complete this, guys. So okay, so you can do, okay, you can adjust. Okay, so from here, chain 3, and I will be just doing a 3 double crochet here to start. Sorry, guys. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do is chain 1. Okay, I get confused. So single crochet, okay, until to the end. So just 1 single crochet. Sorry, guys, because I don't have a pattern with this. Yeah, so just do a single crochet. Okay, all the way to the end, and I'll come back and show you what to do next. Okay, guys, so I am done with my single crochet. So chain 3, turn your work, and we're going to double crochet into the next. Okay, and we are going to do the same. Okay, so skip this one and into the next. Okay, double crochet and double crochet into the next, and then we have to come back and pull that up and complete our double crochet and skip. So skip that one, okay, and we're going to come back, pull that up and complete. Okay, so skip to the next, 2 double crochet in the next 2 chain, and then come back and complete your double crochet. Okay, so 1 more, skip the next, okay, and into the next, okay, and come back, okay, and into the skip one. Okay, you complete your double crochet. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. Okay, so you have that pattern. Okay, so at the back will be the same. Okay, so I will be continuing this, guys. Okay, so when you got to the end, okay, I will show you one more time. When you get to the end, I'll come back and show you what to do next, and then I'll let you complete, you know, your project. Okay, guys, so to finish this row, I have done my 3 double crochet into the end. Okay, so that is how it looks like, and then after that, from here, okay, you're going to do single crochet going to the back. Okay, so across, okay, you will be doing that, and I'll come back and show you one more time how to do this, and then I'll let you finish your project. Okay guys, so I got to my end. Okay, so we're going to chain 3, okay, and do our double crochet, and then we are going to skip this and work into the next 2 chain, okay, or stitches with our 2 double crochet, and then we're going back here, okay, to do our cross. Okay, skip 1, and the next 2 stitches you have to make 2 double crochets and come back for our cross. Okay, so that is so easy and so pretty. Okay, hopefully you like this video, guys. You can work with like multiple of 3, okay, plus 1 or something like that. Okay, so you just have to work with your measurement. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and I will let you complete your project. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.